Hello everyone, welcome to my maths classes. So dear students, today we are going to discuss problems in exercise 2.5 of polynomials topic. Okay. So in earlier sessions we have discussed the solutions of exercise 2.5 till 9 problems. Is it? Go through those videos also and proceed this video. Okay, in that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, clear. Then next, see, it is the most important result we use in to solve some competitive exam type problems also. Okay, problems in competitive exams also. Simple. See, here given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So we have to show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So direct don't cube on both sides. Just shift z to other side. Then it becomes x plus y is equal to minus z. X plus y is equal to minus z. Then by cubing on both sides, we have to cube on both sides because of here we have in the result cube, so that we are cubing on both sides, then we get x plus y whole cube is equal to minus z whole cube. Clear? Now x plus y whole cube formula we already well known with this formula. We can write it as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy of x plus y. Is it clear? That is equal to minus z cube into means minus z into minus z into minus z, we will get minus z cube. Clear? But here x plus y value is how much? Minus z. So I am replacing x plus y by minus z. Then it becomes x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y value is minus z is equal to minus z cube. Minus z cube. Now if we simplify, we get x cube plus y cube plus into minus minus 3xyz is equal to minus z cube. Clear? Now shift minus z cube left hand side and minus 3xyz other side, that is right hand side. Then it becomes x cube plus y cube minus z cube becomes plus z cube, that is equal to 3xyz. That is equal to 3xyz. Clear? So we got the result or not? Hence we showed or not? See, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So it is most important result. Hence showed. Okay, like this we have to do. Now by using this result, we can solve that second problem, that is B problem. Okay, dear students, so this is the second one related to 13th problem itself. Show that a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube is equal to 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. See how to solve this problem. See, if you observe the left hand side part of this result, here it is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube or not? Yes. So that consider LHS is equal to a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. Now if we consider a minus b is equal to x, b minus c is equal to y, and c minus a is equal to z, then it becomes x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay. But if you add these x and y and z values, if you find x plus y plus z, what is the result? See, what is the x value? A minus b plus what is the y value? B minus c plus what is z value? C minus a. If we simplify, what we are getting? Minus b plus b gets cancelled. Minus c plus c 0 and a minus a 0. A minus a 0. So total result is 0. Therefore, here x plus y plus z is equal to 0. We got here x plus y plus z is equal to 0. we know that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then what is the result here? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So if we know that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, we know that WKT, we know that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, here what is x? A minus b. Therefore, a minus b whole cube plus y value b minus c whole cube plus z value c minus a whole cube, that is equal to 3 into x into y into z. Here x is a minus b, y is b minus c, and z is c minus c. Okay, clear? So like this we can find this type of problems by using this result. Is it clear? Instead of these algebraic expressions, we can take numbers also. Okay, is it clear? Simple. We have to observe bases and their sum is 0 or not. If their sum is 0 and the cube, then the result is 3 into x into y into z. Okay, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then the answer is 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Similarly, we can take numbers also. See, for example, you keep pause and write the solution. Okay, so here we got RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence showed. So I am taking one more problem based on this using numbers. Okay, for clear understanding. In competitive exams, they will be based on numbers itself. Maximum times I have observed they are giving problems related to number system only. Okay, the problem is like this. I am taking on my own problem. For example, see if I take find or evaluate minus 99 whole cube plus 100 whole cube plus minus 1 whole cube is equal to how much? Okay, simple problem. And then next minus 2 whole cube minus 3 whole cube plus 5 cube is equal to how much? This is the question. Then we can write it is a simple way that if you observe the bases here, minus 99, 100, minus 1. Sum of these bases how much? If you take these are x, y, z, here x plus y plus z value is how much? If you take x value minus 99, y is equal to 100 and z is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to how much? Minus 99 plus 100 plus minus 1. Total how much? 0. Okay. So here x plus y plus z value is 0 means then answer is we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So therefore minus 99 whole cube plus y value 100 cube plus minus 1 whole cube is equal to 3 into x value minus 99, y value 100 into z value minus 1. Is it clear? So like this. So if you multiply, you will get minus into minus plus 399 jar. Okay, 3 9 jar 27. 3 9 jar 27 plus 2 29. So 297. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So sorry, 29,700 is answer. 29,700 is answer. See, simple or not? So instead of finding 99 into 99 into 99. If you observe the basis of the given expression like this numerical expression, if the sum is 0, simple that 3 into product of those bases. Okay, clear. Similarly, third one, this one also same. Minus 2 plus minus 3 how much? Minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 how much? 0. So answer is for this 3 into minus 2 into minus 3 into plus 5. So final answer is plus minus into minus plus 5 3 are 10, 10 3 are 30, 30 3 are 90. So plus 90 is the answer. Okay, clear. Instead of expanding in term by term, we can approach this method by using this formula. So it is most important result. It is most important result. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, my dear students, now based on that result, we are going to solve one more problem, that is question number 14. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. So in competitive exams, they don't give that statement. Just they will give us like this and they will ask us to simplify. So of course, by calculating each and every one's cube, we can find out, but it's little lengthy. So that instead of that, we can apply that result. That is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, what is that result? Yes, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube value is 3xyz. Okay, based on this we are solving now. See, powers are 3's here, so like that only. Now x plus y plus z, minus 10 plus 7 plus 3, how much? Minus 10 plus 7 plus 3 is 0 itself. So answer is 3 into xyz, 3 into minus 10 into 7 into 3. So what is the final answer? Yes, 3 3 are 9, 9 7 are 63. 63 into minus 10, minus 630. Simple or not? Very simple. Now come to this one. Now 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13, how much? So 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13 is how much? 0. 28 minus 28, 0. Clear. Now the answer is 3 into xyz. 3 into x into y value minus 15 and z value minus 13. Okay, clear. Now if you multiply, we will get answer. How to multiply, we know already. So total result is positive. If you multiply, we will get final answer. Yes. Here minus into minus plus. 15 3s are 45. So 28 into 45 into 13. And you simplify, we will get final answer. Okay. Now come to this point. See here, middle x cube plus y cube plus z cube, middle plus is here. Okay, but here minus is given, here plus and minus is given, so it is not in this form. So that we have to try to convert into that form like this. So 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube plus shift minus inside, then it becomes power 3, then it becomes minus 5 by 6 whole cube, minus 5 by 6 whole cube. Because of here power is odd power, so negative, if you simplify, you will get minus sign itself. Okay. So now observe, some of these three are equal or to 0 or not. Some of these three means take here 1 by 2 is equal to x, 1 by 3 is equal to y, and minus 5 by 6 is equal to z. Now find their sum, like x plus y plus z value is 0 or not. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Okay, clear. Now if we simplify, what is the LCM? 6. 2 divides 6 3 times, so 1 into 3, so 3, plus 3 divides 6 2 times, so 1 into 2, 2, minus 6 divides 6 1 time, so 5 into 1, 5, so minus 5. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. So 5 minus 5 by 6 is equal to 0. So here the result is 0. Then final answer is 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 6, not plus 5 by 6. Because formula is x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Here x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3, z is equal to minus 5 by 6. Now simplify, 3 3 gets cancelled. The final answer is minus 5 by 1 into 1 into minus 5 by 2 into 6, 12. So minus 5 by 12 is answer. Is it clear? So similarly, we have to solve this problem. See how. Same here also, all the cubic terms are not joined by plus sign. So you have to try whether it is possible or not, because the power is odd number, so you can shift minus sign to inside, then minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube. Clear? Now if you add also, you will get basis. If you add also, you will get 0. Here take x is equal to 0.2 and y is equal to minus 0.3 and z is equal to 0.1. Their sum is how much? X plus y plus z value 0. So the final answer is 3 into x into y into z. Therefore answer is 3 into x into y into z. x is 0.2, y is minus 0.3, z is 0.1 based on this result. So answer is, so decimals how to multiply? First of all, don't consider decimal point, then multiply. 3 2 are 6, 6 3 are 18, 18 1 are 18. And after decimal point, how many digits are here? 1, here 1, 2, here 1, 3, total 3. So 1, 2, 3. If there is no digit, keep 0 and put decimal point. So 0.018. Now sign. Product of positive and negative terms gives us negative. So here only 1 minus. So that plus into minus minus. Minus 0.018 is answer. Okay. Instead of multiplying, of course, smaller number means we can use general cubing and adding. But when it comes to this case, it is little difficult to expand each and every cube. So that we can apply this method. That means we can apply this result. Is it clear? This is the most selected area for competitive exams like NTSC or in Olympiad exams. Okay. So that AS Rao, BS Rao exams will be. So in that you have to go through this type of concepts, shortcut methods. I hope you are all clear this concept, I think. Please like our videos and share with your friends. Thank you.